Hi, this is Shambhavi, Marketing Head for PVR Developers. I would first start with the project which I'm projecting today. This is PVR Anmol. The name itself states that Anmol itself is one of the kind of emeralds. And this development, what you're seeing right now, is not very possible in Hyderabad because this is a hilltop apartment. And when I'm talking it is a hilltop apartment, my first apartment would be the height of the fourth apartment of any other developers. And right now, already, whenever I'm looking at my clubhouse level itself, all the terraces of my adjacent projects are similar to my first floor. So this is the one of the highest peaks apartment what I would be talking about, and it is a boutique style hotel style apartment. This is luxury 3 BHK apartments only. You can understand that the entire community would be in such manner that the starting price of this entire apartment would be at 92 lakhs it would be up to 1.2 to 1.3 lakhs, 1.3 CR, of course. When I'm talking about this Anmol, why I call it Anmol, why we call it as Anmol, because the views what you have, if you can see the view from our swimming pool would be exactly similar to your Aminpur Lake. The best part is that Aminpur Lake doesn't have any other developments or constructions happening. That is the first bioreserve land. The only bioreserve lake in the urban land is Aminpur Lake, and Anmol has that privilege to look out to it. That is one of it. And you can see that as I'm talking, it is a hilltop apartments. I already have 3 basement car parking, and one of the stilt would be your clubhouses. And indoor amenities are many more. You can have your 8-ball pool, you have tennis, lawn tennis, and you also have your table tennis. And excitingly, you have carom board. I understand that millennial people are very attached with this carom board thing. So carom board is also in it. You have your cards. These are your indoor amenities, and when I'm talking about the outdoor amenities, you have walking and jogging track. We have given utmost importance to that wellness amenities also. That walking and jogging track around that 1.91 acres of the land what we are constructing in. We also have cricket pitch, basketball pitch, whatever you ask for. You have a sand play area. And in this small community, you only have 100 apartments, and that is the best part. All the apartments are smart 3 BHKs and 3 BHKs. This is one of the kind of apartments in Miapur, and of course in Miapur, if you see, you don't have this luxury apartments. You only have your concrete. I should be saying concrete developments, what you can call, and high rises. When I talk about high rise, the more the rise is, the more the people are. You have to understand whenever it is high rise, you're scrunching the land more and more. So that is what it is. And not only this, we have other apartments also in Shankarpalli. We have seen that Shankarpalli is the next residential hub. And we have, there also we have been given sustainability as a very utmost important, because we have given STPs and rainwater harvestings. We are also trying to inculcate our solar panels into our each and every development. If it is possible, yes, we will be very good part of sustainability development in Hyderabad. Not only this, we also have a commercial property which is 2 million square foot in financial district. Of course, the hub of Hyderabad. Anybody would be wanting an apartment or a office space there. So there we have an office space, A-grade office space, IGBC A-grading office space. Only office spaces are being given there. That is one of that premium development what we are doing. We also have villas and many more to come. But we are expecting more people to come because you have the best sustainability developments around.